Alright, the GPS is zeroed out again. That one started. And that one started. Alright, he's gonna do his thing, wrap it up, and then we'll get back to a new run. So the last run was 114. That was a warm-up run. Now we're gonna see what she got in. And for everybody that's gonna leave a comment saying he need to get rid of these plugs, he knows. I've been telling him enough, so he already knows. I don't mention it.
Show you what I can do with them plugs.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to see. The first one was good. He liked the phones on the first one. It was better than he said the first time he tried them out. So that's a good thing. And these is pink from.
Yep.
Got those from Toys for Boys. Shout out to Scott.
Yes, sir.
See my boy been practicing. He got the drag car out there. He walking around with that thing. He said, call him out. He ready.
I'll race anybody, anytime. Tell me I'm gonna win, but I'll give you all I got. Come on now.
Ah, you know what we didn't do? We gotta unplug it and then plug it back in. Yeah. Sorry guys, we was messing with some settings, so you're supposed to unplug it and plug it back in so that it chime in again.
Oh, shut up.
It ain't shut off yet. That ripple killer. We got that ripple killer up there. All right, she ready now, guys. Sorry about that. We're gonna get these numbers. Got a good road here. We don't use much of it, not yet anyway, but we'll get there. We'll get there. So we got one coming behind us.
Yeah. I was gonna wait a minute because I can't see the greatest. I don't need nobody running my shit over.
That's for sure. Yeah, he's coming. Don't worry about it. We might got one coming out that parking lot right now.
Yeah, you see him turn around.
Yeah, here you come. Nice. I don't trust him either. Right now, I would have went back on that side once he passed.
Yeah.
But yeah. Let's
got
see
another one coming.
Yeah, let's see if that truck is gonna come that way. Yeah, he is. He look like he's moving though. He's moving.
Yeah, he's good. He's standing back over here.
Yeah, for sure. The garbage truck gonna turn in. We good with him. He gonna turn in.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we clear back there now, so we just waiting. Yeah, that truck's going that way. We're good. You coming?
Good?
Yep, you're good. Coming down. Stop it, bro.
I'm trying.
Put your hand in the air. Woo!
Shit.
Nice run.
Bring that shit back for me.
Hold the GPS on it.
I can see it, but I can't see it.
You got your thing turned down? Oh, you got reverse. All right, I can bring it back. All right, it's coming.
One coming up behind us, but you're good.
Bring it in the corner just in case they try to act like they don't see it.
My biggest problem with speed runs, guys, I can't see this shit.
He can't see, but he did his run. He did his run, y'all.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, for sure. See what she did? She definitely didn't buckle that time.
Nah, it looked a little better.
Yeah, she definitely didn't buckle that time. She was up for the runnings. See what she did? Yeah. Definitely a smooth run though.
Yeah, the cow's always been good to me as far as that.
Give us a number. Give us a number. See, unlocked. But it's better it was unlocked. Yeah, we did 114 the first one, 123 the second one. Let's see what the second GPS said. 124. We'll take that. So that was a good run. Definitely. That was a nice run. Nice run, darling. Nice run.
Thank you.